Welcome back to the R44 YouTube channel and welcome to the office. This is a bit of a different environment than it is to the workshop, but I know you have seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, and you've clicked on this video because you know we are the pinnacle when it comes to interior mods. So we have a huge bunch of JQ paddles, shift paddles, that we're going to go through, and we're going to show you a couple of different options so that you get the best driving feel when it comes to your interior. So later on in the video, we are going to be fitting a set to our X4M because right now it's not giving us that M feel. So in here, I'm going to have to double check that we have got a start-stop button. That is just quite a cool mod. Make sure you know you're in an M car, and when you touch the start-stop button, it makes you feel good. That comes in red and blue, depending on what color you want to go with. And I personally like the red. I feel like it's like a jet fighter. You know, when you press the start button, it's like, yeah, I'm ready to drive. Yes, the carbon steering wheel cover. So this is what you'll get basically when you order it offline. This we were gonna fit to our X4M. The reason we're not going to is because the X4M doesn't have a carbon pack. So I feel to put this on the X4M just to have on the steering wheel, I don't know, I may rice it out a bit because it hasn't got the carbon pack. So we're going to keep it OEM and keep the silver trim and everything. But if you do have the carbon pack and for some reason they've missed out the steering wheel, this is your fix. Nice double-sided tape. All it does is go in the car. You got the button surrounds, everything like that. And it just, yeah, it finishes it off, takes away that horrible silver look. And this is what you need to tie in your carbon look. That is the steering wheel cover. We do have one in stock for an X4M. So if you do have an X4M, this is ready to go. I'll even package this for you. So these are the paddles from Shift. I believe we are fitting to our X4M to give it that more M feel. Because BMW, why are you fitting the X4M with those paddles? I'm going to throw an overlay here now of them. They can't run with us car enthusiasts. Now we're going to fit these, which are a G series type style paddle, which is actually quite cool. I'm going to show you here. Hopefully you can see the carbon finish on them. We've got the plus here. Yeah, we've got like a little rubber on the back so that you've got the grip and everything. And these are really nice, to be fair. I think these are a great upgrade for having a better feel when you're driving, as well as seeing that, which from my angle is correct. From seeing this on your steering wheel, yeah, it just looks how it should have come out of the factory. So we're going to be fitting these shortly, and I'm going to go over a few more options that you have when it comes to paddles. Now, I'll just add that these are for the X platform, G platform, and F platform. So if you are looking to get more paddles for your car, whatever platform that is, we can do that. Now, I believe these are another set that you can fit. Oh yeah, I like these ones. These are like a full carbon paddle. Really thick, great quality. Hopefully you can see that. It's not going to focus on my face. Yeah, look at that. You know, when you're driving and you see these, that just looks so good. Yeah, these are really nice. From Shift as well. These are all on the website, ready to go. So yeah, if you're seeing this and you want some paddles for your car, get on it. Now, when it comes to these paddles, these are a straight fitment. We'll show you on the X4M what they look like and how you install them. Now, in this box here, again from Shift, we've got these paddles, which are essentially exactly the same, but they are hopefully you can see that. They are like a dry carbon as well. So we've got gloss carbon, dry carbon, basically whatever fits your vibe. I know that I've got an OGM2, it's got dry carbon on the inside. I probably would go with dry carbon paddles just to merge it all in. Now these, when it comes to paddles, I believe I would get these. The JQs, look at that, look how it's packaged. That is serious when it comes to paddles. And then listen. Do you not want to hear that while you're driving? When you're about to shift gear, the quality just feels insane. Like these are all metal as well, so they're heavy metal. Got a bit of the branding on there as well. Yeah, these are the ones. Let me get the paddles out and I'll show you what you fit to these. Yeah, look at that. Even the finish on these paddles. Yeah, these are seriously high quality. Where you've got the carbon finish just here. I'm hoping you can see that. Let me get out of the way. Look at that. These are a serious heavy duty feel as well. When you're driving, you're shifting. There are other YouTube videos that we've done with the JQ paddles because they are a bit more intense when it comes to fitting. If you want a set of JQ paddles, I would recommend going and checking them out or just getting us to fit them. You can sit in the waiting room, wait, and when you drive out, I love that. I love that. It's almost like a fidget toy. You shouldn't be doing that when you're driving either because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let me pack these away. We're going to go out now and we're going to fit the paddles to the X4M. Now it's time to fit the paddles. We've gone with the red. You can also get these in blue, depending on what trim you want to go for. We've gone for the red to match, you know, the M2 buttons. We've got the start-stop button over here, as well as nice little red trim on the seats. So we're going to get these installed right now. Look at the finish on them. Wow. As you can see, there's a hole here. Yeah. So just down there is where you prop out the airbag, where the horn is on the steering wheel. So prop it out from both sides, take it out, and now we're on to the next step. And just like that, one paddle is out. We're going to show you here, there is a little screw in the back there that you're going to undo with a T20, I believe. Once that's done, there is a plug for the paddle. Undo the plug, take the paddle out. Now, when you take these paddles out, you'll actually see that they have the module on, which actually tells the car to change gear. So we need to take these out now and fit them to the aftermarket ones. So these now belong in the bin because we don't need these anymore. We have the G80 style pads fitted, and let's give them a little feel. Yep, that is certified, R44 certified. So that literally was like a 10-minute job. If you are interested, hit us up at the R44 website. Me personally, get yourself some JQ ones because it's not clicking like it should. But these are a perfect fit for the X4M with an OEM plus sort of interior. And yeah, if you're interested in any paddles, interior mods, anything like that, hit us up on the website, subscribe, do all of that, and we'll see you on the next one.